G'day legends. Well, I've got my ute home here from work. We've got the signal in there and the support post that holds it. So I was actually going to get that prepped up and painted at work, but I've decided to bring it home, prep it up here and assemble it and probably chuck it here. So I've got my son here. We're going to unload it and set it up. So see how we go. Sit it down onto the ground and then work it somewhat your feet, okay? So I'm going to lean it back and I'll pick it up and then walk it over. You got it all? Keep going. I'm going to find some grip. Yep. You ready? Yep. There we go. Just lay it sideways here. Yep. Go back. Yep. This bit's going to be heavy. So we'll roll it that way and slide it down, okay? Right, just let it drop down. Are you ready? And over here. Down. Okay. So if you let go, okay, so we've got it laying on the ground here. We've managed to put it together. So currently it is about 2.4 high, which is the shortened version, because originally it would have been probably another 1.5 meters more than that. So in the center here, where the head of the signal joins onto the post, we removed off the top of the original part of the post, the sleeve here, and had it re-welded onto here on a shorter version. So basically the missing piece is also the piece that has the arm on it for another signal which wasn't on it. So I will keep that and keep it in storage, because it's good to try and keep everything original, and if it ever gets used and someone wants it at its original height, which would be literally right up to that we stand there that the video goes on, they can do. So what I will do now is get it all painted, probably paint it white with the black face again and the black base, and it'll have to be dyno bolted down, and I will more than likely probably have it sitting right here in the corner towards the end of the line. I did think about having it here by the gate, but it's a bit too much going on there, so I think towards the house will be quite good actually, and all these other little wagons will be moved by then, and in their new little areas. So all in all, but we did try and lift it. There's two of us and there's no way we're going to be able to lift it, so we're going to need a minimum of 3 people, probably 4 and a ladder or 2 as well, to get it lifted in place, or we just put the base in and then lift the head again back on top. So that is that. Another job done at the Crazy Garden Railway.